Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I begin my presentation, I will introduce myself first. And my name is Abdul Harist Al-Fatah and my nickname is Haris. My student master number 2019-01-30-135. Okay, my class D. Immediately, I began my presentation at noon today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my title is Electrical Machine. Okay, outlines. First, background of the paper. 2. Problem formulation. 3. Purpose of the paper. 4. Discussion. And last, conclusion. The next slide. Okay, background of the paper. First, the machine will take over the job of human being. Next, the development of technology affects to the nature as well. Next, the use of electric cars help the nature clean since it doesn't produce smoke. The next slide. Problem formulation. First, what is the impact of electric cars on life in the Industrial Revolution era? The two, how to improve electric cars in the era. The next slide. Purpose of the paper. First, to find out the impact of electric cars on life, especially in Industrial Revolution era. 2. To know the way to improve electric cars, especially in this era. The next slide. Chapter 2. The role of electric cars and their development. First, electric cars that are driven by electric motor using electrical energy stored in battery or other energy storage arise. 2. The main thing is that electric cars do not produce motor vehicle emission. 3. In addition, this type of cars also reduce greenhouse gas emissions because it does not need fossil fuels as its prime mover. The next slide. How to increase electric cars production. First, as car makers increase production of electric cars, the metal asset to make vehicles battery may face a supply crisis in the coming years, according to a new report. Now, the supply of the three metal insufficient to meet demand, but the short-term market prices of the metal have fallen. The next slide. How to increase the production of electric cars to keep developing? 1. Afford large meetings. Large meetings are one of the obstacles in large companies that do not contribute well enough to the company performance. Next slide. Yes, conclusion. We must be able to prove that we young people are able to compete with other countries in order to create new things such of technology and machining in this era of the current era. We have to think ahead into the future so we can be the best of the best. The next slide. Oke, referensi. Oke, the last. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.